Hey there, we are recording live. Here we go. Okay, so this is a video about N8N basics, and I'm going to share this link to this. Actually, I'm not going to share a link to this. This will be in my Integral HQ group. I'll share a link to join the community. If you're interested in this topic and you like what I'm doing here, um, and you want to learn more, then join the community. It's called the AI Automation Community on integralhq.com. You download the app and then join the community. And I'm just starting my YouTube channel again. This is the third video I'm doing, but um, hopefully you can see some people. There was a study that ChatGPT makes you dumber because it just does the work for you, and then people don't read it and they just copy and paste it. But if you actually read it and make it your own, um, then AI can do cool stuff like build Excalidraw diagrams for you that look like it's your own work. But I actually did this with Claude. I'm always going to show you how I do everything. So if you want to learn and you want to implement automation in your business, um, then this is a good video to watch and also a good community to join in the comments. Um, so check it out. Okay, it's the AI and automation community on integralhq.com. Okay, had to plug it one more time. Let's go. All right, so I'm going to give this document, I'm going to share this in the, uh, oh, I can turn this into slides. That's cool. Um, as you can see, I'm just learning to use Excalidraw again. I used to use it a lot. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Why? I guess I gotta grab this whole thing and put it in here. I mean, I don't really have to do this on the video with you, but as you can see, this is raw footage. There's no editing going on here. All right. Starting area. Let's start up here. Let's start up here. Start right here. Bam. Okay. Uh, read only link. This is N8N basics. Build tree. Okay, I don't know if I made up build tree or if I stole it from somewhere inadvertently, but I never heard it before. I just thought that's what this should be called. Okay, cool. Here's the link. Show menu, show scene title. Uh, okay. All right, cool. So I'm gonna drop this link for you guys, and let's dive into it. Okay, I'm not gonna take a lot of time to read through here because you can read this, and I always think that um, So I always think that presentations where they read everything on the screen is really boring. So just what is this? What is N8N? There's nodes, and the core concepts are the workflows, expressions, executions, and credentials. And then this walks you through an example flow. Now, um, and then there's best practices, example use case, and some advanced techniques. To get more information, you can go to the N8N resources themselves. So anybody that's trying to sell you a flow, just you can find all the flows on N8N itself at n8n.io/workflow. So over here, so you hold control to zoom out, and you hold spacebar to drag the screen inside of Excalidraw. That will help you with this link. Okay, so this helps you define what problem you're solving and then walk all the way through until your workflow is finished. Walk through all the steps that are on the left side. It's quite involved, so you probably don't want me to read all of this. In the comments, if you want to, tell me if you did want me to read all of this. But I'm keeping it short and simple. This is probably less than 5 minutes. Yeah, 4:49. All right, I'm out. Steve Kaplan AI, gtmvp.com/automation. If you want to get your own automations, join me on Integral. and enjoy this beginner's guide. I hope it's helpful to a lot of people.